So let's see, Grippy Ippy manufacturing process. This is end of June 2026. So what we're doing here is we're printing the white with the automatic manual filament change system here. And the next process or processes are down in the basement. And this is where we make the packaging, and we cut these cardboards to go inside to make it stiffer. And this is where we get our foam, and we apply the pressure sensitive adhesive that goes in this here jig or guide there. With the adhesive here going on there, and then this goes through there. Whoops. No, this goes through there and through the roller, and the adhesive is applied. And then we take our foam and our inserts for the packaging. This will all be changed pretty soon. A lot of it will all be downstairs. And we come upstairs. Yeah, don't mind the mess. We got Hunter, he's under there. My bagel dog. Hey. Say Hunter. Hey buddy. Everything going alright? Here we have some bad grips. And here we have the grabber and the base models, building up stock for those. And the camos and the Bill's blue. And well, I don't have a name for it, but it's blue, white swirl. And I got that. And I'm going through and I'm figuring out what I have. And here's the packaging section. We're put the grip in the packaging, and then we apply the bag over it, seal it up, and then shrink it up, and we get a finished product like that. I have done so far here. These are grabber models. These are the ones deemed good. And then here you've seen I have a defects box. They're very much usable. It's just that maybe I didn't have the right dimensions on the foam, and it's not clearly to the edge, or some of the foam has little bubbles in it. But that's all for defects so far. I'm really happy with that. We have over here some more grabbers. That's black on black and white swirl. I expect this one to be one of the more popular. Heat shrink didn't get shrunk right. I have to take this one back and shrink it again. So let's see. I don't know how I missed that. It kind of changes after I do it. All puffy and everything when I'm heat shrinking, and then it seems to relax later. And come back and hit it again. Here, I'm just learning this right now. I'm going through a lot of bags, trying to get it so I don't burn a hole in them. That does. And then over here we have the base model. We have some different varieties. camo. That's green on camo, and that's black, or camo on black. There's another one. Gray, blue, black, white. There's the bills. Since I go to New York, Lake Ontario, Lake Erie in New York, I'll figure out a Buffalo Bills theme. Here's a Buffalo Bills theme with blue, black, white swirl. So I'm gonna go all the way over to here, I think, for grabbers. These are an older model, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna package them as for sale models full price. Same goes with these. These are of a different dimension. Nobody would ever know, but I do. So that's about that. That is Grippy Ippy being made in 2026. Oh, I forgot to show here. You might have seen already. Here's the laser cutter. Cut out the patterns. And just a different model so I can get an idea of what I have. And that's Grippy Ippy manufacturing, packaging, and sales. Sales is the scary part for me. I just don't. I'm not the kind of guy to walk up to people and say, "Hey, here, buy this." We'll see how it goes. I have ideas of setting up a canopy and table and Grippy Ippy banner and selling them sitting there, but we'll see. I'd have to find somebody that's willing to let me use their parking lot or something. And so there you have it. Grippy Ippy manufacturing, packaging, foam cutting, 3D printing with Grippy Ippy. You know, Slippy.